squirrel.
No, he went fast. He went fast. Oh, he went that way.
He's in the bushes. Happy Saturday, guys. So today we're on a nature walk. And
orange.
you're orange? We're on a nature walk today. It's Saturday. So happy Saturday to you, or whenever you watch this vlog. Hi. Daddy's doing his photography thing. Daddy's doing his photography thing. This is so nice, guys. So very nice.
I'll just do it so I can take a picture. Now just hold your hands down, don't keep moving.
I see a chipmunk and a squirrel.
You saw a chipmunk and a squirrel.
Yeah, one.
So the chipmunks have the stripes?
Yep, and the squirrels don't.
Okay. Good lesson from my mom. Guys, I can know all about animals. How else can you tell?
The chipmunks are smaller, and the squirrels are bigger.
Oh, okay. How can you tell the difference in their appearance?
Because the chipmunks have stripes.
Oh.
And they don't. And
The squirrels don't? Okay. I have to research it and see if you're correct. Because you know all about animals, I promise. I'm talking about the animals. Oh, the flies?
Yeah. Mommy, we should get inside. Look inside the hole.
Huh?
There's holes inside there.
Yeah.
That we can have.
The kids are still trying to get the squirrels and the chipmunks to come to them. Hi, yummies.
Hi.
You found a hole?
Yeah. Hey, that's a deep hole. That's a hole. Really deep hole.
Yummies is out the stroller, stretching her legs. She loves walking anyways. The stroller is for more my convenience. So I don't have to be running after her. But it's pretty safe here, so I don't mind. You taking pictures? Don't fill up my phone, okay? You see a squirrel? Come, guys. A beautiful bridge.
Bridge time.
So beautiful, guys.
How did he stand on that?
So beautiful.
Grabs them.
Isn't it beautiful? I love nature.
I love nature walk.
Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. And all the duckies. So beautiful, guys. And peaceful. I love it.
Whoa! She put their head in the water.
And the babies put their whole body in the water. And you can only see their fuzzy butt. Because they're small.
Whoa, Daddy, they're putting their heads in the water.
That's how they get their food.
The baby put their whole bodies in the water. All you see is their butt. Because they're babies. They're not big. Oh, look at the baby.
He got the fish.
Well, did you saw that? The baby just went dead into the water.
Okay, I'm gonna go let you see him. Mommy gotta hold you there, okay? You don't want to fall in that water. Careful, Erica. Come back, bud.
I got some.
Daddy's having too much fun. This is Daddy's jam. Right, Shug?
Yeah.
He's taking pictures of those duckies. This is his jam, guys. He loves photography. What are you saying, yummies? Well, only Kimmy will understand what she's saying. No buckets? Yes. Stop it. What am I? Stop that. What am I doing? What am I doing, Miss Naomi? You said stop it. Stop what? You see a baby? She call all animals babies. Okay, let's go. Let's go, yummies. Okay. They're gone. Okay, I'm coming. A finny, Ari. Look at her face. She doesn't want it to be finny. Miss Nature Queen. Please smile. Didn't you have fun? Are you taking my picture? Did you have fun, Ari? Was it a good walk?
Come back this way, please.
Was it a good walk, Dad?
It was awesome.
Kels, did you have fun?
Super fun.
Good. Did you have fun, bud? Uh-huh. Yummies, did you have fun? Wow. Hi guys, so that's the end of our little walk. I'm not sure what time it is. Let's see. It's almost 6 o'clock and we've been out here since probably after 3. The walk isn't that long, but we like to explore and look at everything. So that's what we've been doing. We've been walking and taking pictures, and the kids been looking at the fish and the ducks and the squirrels and the chipmunks and birds. Well, we didn't see many birds. We saw like one pretty bird and other birds. I think we saw like a dove and what's not. But we had so much fun. The kids enjoy it. Erica didn't want it to end, as you saw. She loves being outside in nature. Well, we all do. We love the outdoors. We love going for walks. So this was right up our streets.
Oh, we should do this every day.
Every day, Erica?
Yeah, every day.
Wouldn't you get bored?
Nope. We should go on different trails.
Yeah, we should go on different trails. There you have it, guys. Every day we should do this. Next time we'll do a longer trail until we've done all of them. We did the shortest one today. I don't know how long the longest one would take us, but
We don't have to cross a long river. These
yeah.
are very short. I said if you push them this way, they're very gentle.
They're not prickly?
Nope.
Ollie.
You got owies? Yummies?
They're not prickly at all.
Where's your owies? You climbing it?
No.
No.
That's not
The plants?
right.
Is Erica playing with the plants?
Bye.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you watch this. Don't forget to hug your kids a little tighter. Give them a little bit. Give them an extra longer squeeze, because life is so short and so many things are happening around us. So don't forget to enjoy the small things in life. Right, Yummies?
Bye.
Yeah. So, yeah, just enjoy the little things. Enjoy the little moments with your family and your kids. And be blessed. Today I'm thankful. I'm thankful for family, and I'm thankful that I can camera that. Yomi's is taking your camera. I'm thankful that I can spend time with them and I can invest in them, whether it's through homeschooling, whether it's doing things like this. I'm grateful for that. What are you thankful for, Erica?
You.
For me?
And
Oh,
Daddy.
oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Doug, what are you thankful for?
The end of that trail.
The end of the trail is all? What else?
And my family.
What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for?
I went squirrel. See squirrel.
What are you thankful for, Yummies?
Rats.
The squirrels?
Ghosts.
Okay. What are you thankful for, Kels?
Shit.
Oh, the trip? Okay. So in the car, I'm sweating. It's 31 degrees outside, Celsius that is. And we're heading home to have some dinner. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please like this video if you like it. Comment and subscribe. Bye guys. What does it feel like?
Rough.